Even though 70% of our planet is covered in water, still 4 billion people experience water scarcity at least during part of the year. The municipality of Cape Town, South Africa already introduced Day Zero, the day that they would shut off all water, as the water availability had decreased to such an extent that they would run out. This is the result of the increase in demand of fresh water, which is only 3% of Earth's water sources. This increase in freshwater demand is the result of an increasing world population, changed consumption patterns, improved living standards, and expansion of irrigated agriculture. Every day, consumers eat 3,496 liters of water, besides the 137 liters we use through domestic consumption. The largest proportion of our water is invisible. In fact, 92% of the water we use is hidden in agriculture for the production of our food, but mostly feed for animals. But how can we measure and compare water use between products? The water footprint measures humans' appropriation of freshwater resources. The water footprint of products is the amount of all types of fresh water consumed and polluted in all processing stages of its production. The water footprint varies across animal types and production systems. For instance, the water footprint of a kilogram of beef is much greater than compared to a kilogram of chicken. This is partly explained because for a kilogram of beef you need 11 times more feed. I will give you some tips on how you as a consumer can reduce your indirect water footprint through your food consumption. You can make changes in your diet. For example, eat less meat. Within the diet, meat provides the greatest water footprint compared to any other source. Therefore, the reduction of meat will greatly lower the water footprint of your consumption. However, when consumption of meat is still desired, the type of meat should be considered. Chicken and goat have a much lower water footprint compared to beef or pig. Reduce your consumption of processed foods. In every step of the process, your water footprint increases. So the more unprocessed foods you eat, the lower the water footprint of the food product. Another way to reduce your water footprint is by eating more veggies. The water footprint of crops is 20 times smaller than the water footprint of beef. Therefore, implementing more vegetables in your diet will reduce the water footprint. Also, replacing protein sources from beef with pulses reduces the water footprint 6 times. And lastly, eat seasonal food. Most vegetables grow better in different seasons and therefore use less water. There are different websites and apps that give overviews on which vegetables are best in which season, including the country of origin. So to summarize, to make the greatest impact on lowering your water footprint, you should pay attention to the indirect water you consume through your diet. Eat less meat and only meat from animals with the lower water footprint. Reduce the amount of processing your food needs. Eat more vegetables and get your proteins from pulses instead of meat. And eat seasonal food. Thank you for watching this video. Bye!